In a world where design and technology converge, one company stands at the forefront of innovation. Welcome to ScioCraft, the leading provider of surface mount technology manufacturing solutions. With our cutting-edge SMT manufacturing capabilities, we bring your designs to life, ensuring precision and quality at every step. But it all starts with design. Our talented team of designers works tirelessly to create sleek and functional electronic devices that enhance the lives of our customers, providing engineering services and product realization, prototype NPI to facilitate full-scale production and manufacturing services, and warranty inspection and failure analysis. Once the designs are finalized, our state-of-the-art SMT manufacturing facility takes over. Equipped with the latest technology, our experts work with the utmost precision and efficiency to bring your vision into reality. Quality is paramount to us. Each product undergoes rigorous testing and inspection, ensuring that only the highest standard devices reach our customers' hands. But it's not just about the manufacturing. We're driven by a passion to create products that enrich lives. Our devices seamlessly integrate into your daily routines, simplifying tasks and enhancing your experiences. At ScioCraft, we believe in the power of collaboration. Our diverse and talented team works in harmony to push the boundaries of what's possible in electronic design and manufacturing. So, whether you're an individual with an ingenious idea or a company looking to disrupt the market, choose ScioCraft. Together, we'll shape the future of electronics. Design, manufacture, innovate.